Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to be trying out a new Wander Beauty product. I love the brand Wander Beauty and this product sounds perfect for me. It's the Double Booked Lip Cream and Conditioner. So why I love Wander Beauty is that all of the products are multitasking, multi-use, and this right here is a double-ended lip product that, it's a lip cream and conditioner, which I have such dry lips, so this sounds perfect. I love nourishing lip products, and Wander Beauty is so kind. They sent me 3 shades of this product. So a disclaimer that these products were sent to me for free in PR, but this is not a sponsored video. I just always let you know when products are sent to me for free. But I'm so excited to be able to show you all of the colors here. And I'll start out with some swatches. It says this lip cream and conditioner duo gives you the buildable coverage of a lipstick with the comfort of a balm. Use the lip cream for a hint of color or layer for a bolder look, while the lip conditioner provides moisture and nourishment. Perfect. And each one of these retails for $26. They are cruelty-free. And so starting off with the shade Boss Babe and In the Clear. So this one in the clear, it looks pink, but it comes out totally clear. And then the shade Boss Babe. Ooh, I love that. That has great pigment, and it's a nice peachy shade, kind of similar to my natural lip color. So that's definitely the type of shade that I'm drawn to, really in my comfort zone. Next, I've got the shade Happy Hour and In the Clear. So the clear is the lip conditioner. So yeah, the clear is the same, this pink clear on all of them. But so yes, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Happy Hour. Ooh, I love that too, more of like a red berry shade. And then this one is called OTW with In the Clear. So swatching OTW. Oh, I love that one as well. I love all of these shades. These are all very wearable, flattering shades. Here's what those swatches look like. Very creamy, very pigmented. I am so excited to put these on my lips. Since I'm still holding OTW in my hand, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one. First, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the clear lip conditioner because my lips are dry and chapped. And let's see how this is. Ooh. Such a nice feel, like a really nice lip balm with a little bit more shine to it, I feel like, than a typical lip balm, which I really like. I love when there's shine in my lip products, and it is definitely conditioning. The dry, chapped areas in my lips were immediately relieved. So easy to apply, and it just twists up from the top here. And now I'm so excited to add a little color with the OTW side. And I love the little shape of this. Just such beautiful packaging and so travel friendly. Oh my gosh. I love this color. This is like a really perfect nude shade for me. It has great pigment and it's so moisturizing. It's more than a tinted lip balm, like more pigment than that, but it feels like a lip balm. So comfortable, so creamy, glides right on. But that is smooth, opaque color that looks so flattering on the lips, so smoothing and nourishing. Oh my gosh, I love this. I am curious about the transfer. I feel like there's going to be a lot of it since it's such a slippy, creamy feel. Yeah, that's what I would expect. This full kiss mark here, but it's so quick and easy to reapply. Even as it fades like this, it doesn't look bad that it's faded. It's more just like a tint of color remains. But oh, I love the feel of this. I love the look of it. So perfect for someone like me that has dry lips and wants to quickly and easily give that moisture, give that flattering color. So awesome. So clearly I love this product, but I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of it. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.